watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to start thinking about how you'll decorate your Christmas tree this year. If you love a cozy, timeless feel for your tree, then Rustic Decor is the way to go. In this video, I'm going to share some simple and natural ideas to give your Christmas tree that rustic charm, from wood accents to natural elements like pine cones and burlap. Let's get started. Pine cone ornaments. Start with natural pine cones to add texture and a touch of nature to your tree. You can leave them as they are or add a bit of white paint to mimic snow for a cozy winter effect. Wooden ornaments. Wooden ornaments bring a rustic feel to your tree, whether they're hand-carved or simple wooden shapes. Look for stars, hearts, or even tree silhouettes for that perfect natural look. Plaid ribbon. Nothing says rustic like a red and green plaid ribbon. Use it as a garland or simply make large boughs to place on your tree. The checkered pattern adds a warm, country-style vibe to any tree. Cinnamon stick bundles. Tie small bundles of cinnamon sticks together with twine and hang them as ornaments. Not only do they add a rustic touch, but they also give your tree a wonderful scent. Fall snow effects. Add a soft, snowy look by using fall snow or flocking on your tree. This simple trick will make your tree look like it's been dusted with fresh snow, enhancing the rustic winter theme. Jute twine garland. A jute twine garland adds a warm, earthy feel to your tree. Simply drape it over branches or wrap it around the tree to give it a natural, handcrafted look. Rustic stars and angels. A star or angel on top of the tree is a classic. Opt for a wooden star or a metal angel to stay true to the rustic theme, making your tree look even more charming. Vintage lanterns. For a unique touch, place small vintage lanterns around the base or hang them on the tree. Their soft glow will add warmth and coziness to your holiday decor. Twig tree skirt. Instead of a traditional tree skirt, consider using a tree skirt made of natural twigs or branches. This rustic base complements any tree and adds texture and charm. Burlap bough toppers. Instead of a traditional tree topper, use a large burlap bough. It's simple, elegant, and fits perfectly with the rustic theme. Wood slice tree ornaments. Wood slices make excellent ornaments. You can paint them with simple holiday messages or leave them plain to highlight the beauty of the wood grain. Farmhouse burlap ribbon. A burlap ribbon is perfect for a rustic Christmas tree. You can wrap it around your tree or use it as a garland, creating a beautiful, natural effect that's not too overwhelming. Twinkling fairy lights. Soft, warm fairy lights are a must for any rustic tree. The soft twinkle gives the tree a cozy glow, perfect for those long winter nights. Moss and greenery. Incorporating moss or fresh greenery in the tree adds a natural touch. You can place it around the base or scatter it on the tree itself to mimic a forest-like atmosphere. Mini wooden sled decorations. Miniature wooden sleds are a cute and charming addition to your rustic tree. Place them on the branches or at the base for that extra farmhouse touch. have it, some simple and rustic ideas to decorate your Christmas tree this season. Whether you prefer a tree with natural accents, vintage touches, or just a little bit of handmade charm, there's something here for everyone. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a tree that brings warmth and a cozy, rustic vibe to your home this holiday season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more holiday decorating tips. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.